Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. Silverado Man 61 here. Today we're looking at a 69 Camaro, just a regular Camaro, which they want $75,000 for, which is way too much. I can tell you right now, he's never going to get this for this car. I'll be very surprised. He's not gonna get 75 grand for this. No way. Just a regular body Camaro. Don't get me wrong, it's nice and everything, but it's not worth $75,000. I think he's just hoping for someone to come along and pay that, but it ain't gonna happen. Love the paint color on it. I don't know if he's done a lot to it or not. Probably been restored and everything, but still. He's not gonna get 75 grand for it. Anyway guys, leave your comments down below, subscribe to the channel, it's greatly appreciated, and we'll see you in the next video. And tell me what you think of the price of this for a regular Camaro. Catch y'all later.